everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut a wrap top. I'll be using paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut wrap top. This is the length of my top, 18 inches, and I have 13.5 inches here for the wideness. I'm going to take my vertical measurement. I'll be marking the bust of 10 inches. That's the bust point. Then the under bust is 13 inches. So the waist is 17 inches, and I have 1 inch for the swing. I'm going to mark a straight line. I'm going to mark 8 inches for the chest line. So that's the chest line. Don't forget, I'm drafting the back pattern. And the last one is waistline, or the top length. I'm going to take my neck width of 2.2 inches. So the depth of 2 inches. Then I'm going to connect it together. So at the top here, I'm going to use the shoulder line of 15 inches. I will divide it by 2, so that will be 7.5 inches. Under it, I'm going to come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Let it to meet with the neck width of 2.5 inches. So I'm going to mark a straight line down from here. Don't forget, we are cutting the back pattern. We are going to look for the midpoint. So take the bust measurement at the chest line. So we are going to divide it by 2. So we are going to mark it here. Come to the under bust. Then we come to under bust. So under bust is 36. 36 divided by 4. That's 9 inches. So the waist is 39 inches. 39 divided by 4. That's 9.75. We are going to mark swing allowance of 2 inches to mark it here. 2 inches. Then we mark 2 inches here as well. So we are going to connect the line together. So we're going to connect the line together. You're going to connect your armhole this way. Don't forget, we are drafting the back pattern. So we are going to cut the pattern. So you take it up. Come down to the neckline. So this is the back pattern. If you want to cut the front pattern, you have to place your back pattern on your fabric this way. You make sure it's aligned on the armhole line. You can see it here. All you have to do is to make sure that you have between 6 to 7 inches here. But I'll be using 6.5 inches. So I have 6.5 inches here. Then I'm going to cut it out. Make sure your fabric is aligned at the top. I'm going to cut the remaining part out. This is the pattern. I've cut it out. I have my 6.5 inches here. I still maintain my 6.5 inches. Can you see it? We are going to cut out the front pattern. You have to leave between 6 or 7 inches on the front pattern for you to have enough fabric to make up your wrap. After doing that, we are going to open. I'm going to give it like a V shape. I'll be marking from here. You can leave 5 or 6.5 inches. You can leave between 5 to 6.5 inches. This is it. So I mark 6.5 inches. What I will do is to fold 1 inch at the top here. You come up between 1 to 2 inches. So I will be marking 1.5 inches. Then I will connect my line from here down here. I think you can see my 1.5 inch. I came up by 1.5 inch here. That's where I will connect the line from here down here to up. So that's it. So it is very simple to cut out. This is it. This is how it look after cutting it out. So this will be the front pattern. All you have to do is to cut your rope. Cut a rope that will attach to both sides. So I'm using this as an example. You cut a rope. So this is the front part so that you can tie together. So you are going to cut a long rope, 5 by 15. So that's it. So this is the back pattern and this is the front pattern. You can see it is very easy to cut. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. So thank you so much for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.